Mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang pinapatahimik. Sa pagsali sa aking YouTube membership, tinutulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot, walang pinapanigan, at handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat po. Sali na po kayo ha sa hashtag #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership. Okay ha? Diretso na po tayo sa punto. Vice President Sara Duterte, our Inday Sara, just got cleared again by the Commission on Audit. Unmodified opinion po yan sa pangatlong pagkakataon, 2022, 2023, at 2024. Ano ba ito? Parang report card na puro A+. But wait, bakit may mga critics na parang natapakan ang buntot? Let's break it down. Intellectually, with facts, satire, and a dash of wit, because politics isn't just drama. It's a comedy of errors sometimes. Okay, first, what does unmodified opinion mean? So, sa simple English, it's the highest audit rating from the Commission on Audit. Meaning, the OVP's financial statements are fair, accurate, and compliant with international standards like IPSAS. No material misstatements, no funny business in the books. Okay ha? COA audited the OVP's finances, performances, cash flows, everything as of December 2024 and said, we believe the audit evidence is sufficient for unmodified opinion. That's from their official report, folks. For 3 years straight under VP Sara, walang bahid. But here's one thing, no? Imagine si Vice President Sara as a student na laging perfect score. Pero may classmates na nagsasabi, cheater yan. Why? Because of those confidential funds controversies. Critics like Representative Joel Chua say this doesn't clear her from fund misuse. It's just financial audit, not performance. May notices of disallowance pa raw for 125 million pesos. Confidential funds spent in 11 days. Fair point. But let's examine. COA or Commission on Audit clarified that unmodified opinion doesn't mean zero irregularities. But it does show, it proves their commitment for accountability. Parang sinasabi niya, see, we're not hiding anything. Unlike some politicians na parang magicians, nawawala ang pera. This is for you, mga kababayan sa abroad. Shout out to our OFWs in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and Dubai. United Arab Emirates, kayo na nagpapadala ng remittances, you deserve to know where taxes go. Mga kababayan, hindi na po ako mahihiya sa inyo mga kaibigan. Our goal po is for us to reach 100,000 subscribers para mas maraming voices like this, no? Hit that subscribe button now. Like this video, comment your thoughts. Ano sa tingin mo? Cleared na ba si Sara Duterte? Share to your friends in Toronto, Canada, and Sydney, Australia, and send super thanks if this resonates. It helps boost the channel and fight fake news. Now, let's dive deeper into the main story, from background to breakdowns. Mga kaibigan, let's storytell this like a telenovela para maintindihan po natin. But fact-based, si VP Sara Duterte, from Davao Mayor to VP, has always been under the microscope. Remember her Davao days? Tough on crime, but clean on audits. Now, as Vice President, since 2022, the OVP ballooned with programs like medical assistance and education aid. Okay, in 2024, OVP had 85.55% budget utilization. Efficient, di ba? Shout out to folks in Davao City, Philippines, and Quezon City, Metro Manila. Kayo ang ground zero ng politics na ito. What is COA? Commission on Audit po yan. Independent constitutional body po yan na nagbabantay sa public funds. Their unmodified opinion, it's like a gold star. The financial statements present fairly in all material respects. From the 2024 report, no overstated assets, correct valuations, real liabilities. 3 years in a row. Para bang si Sara ay isang accountant na laging summa cum laude. Habang critics are like failing students na nagsasabi, the test is rigged. Excuse me po. Oo, may controversies. The confidential funds, 125 million pesos spent fast with alleged fake names like Mary Grace Piatos, no? Critics from the House like Representative Chua and Ridon say unmodified doesn't mean legal spending. They point to notices of disallowance where COA says return the money, no? Fact check tayo mga kaibigan. COA issued those for improper liquidation. But here's the favor. Vice President Sara's OVP responded by committing to corrections within 60 days as per COA. It's not plunder yet. It's audit findings na pwedeng i-appeal. Okay, storytelling tayo mga kaibigan. Imagine you are an OFW in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, sending money home. Wouldn't you want a vice president who gets clean audits, even if scrutinized, unlike past admins with bigger scandals? Bakit galit ang critics? Because Sara resigned from DepEd amid probes, no? Parang breakup. It's not you, it's the system. But seriously, this unmodified opinion weakens impeachment talks. Mga viewers sa Hong Kong and Singapore, ano sa tingin ninyo? Comment down below. Oh, if you're hooked mga kaibigan subscribe now. Ang goal natin, mga kababayan, 100,000 subscribers. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? I-like, i-share ito sa Manila and Cebu City, Philippines. Super thanks naman from US or UK viewers mean a lot for ad revenue. Salamat po ng marami. Now, let's break down the 2024 report in depth. Deep dive, time, intellectual style. The 2024 COA report for OVP audited under international standards of supreme audit institutions, no? Anong findings? Financial statements compliant. 85.55% utilization shows prudent management despite expanded services, no? These highlights our continuing commitment to transparency. Okay, fact check tayo. Third year po in a row. 3 years in a row. 2022 first as VP, clean. 2023, same. 2024, unmodified again. Oh, yung confidential funds daw, no? Critics say spent in 11 days. No receipts. Okay, COA's unmodified means the reporting was accurate. They disclose it. Okay, notice of disallowance, yes, for lack of docs, but OVP says it's intelligence work, confidential by nature. Parang spy movie, No receipts for spies. But seriously, confidential funds are for security, but need better guidelines. Compare it, in US. CIA funds are audited secretly. For OFWs in London, UK, or New York, USA, think how your taxes fund similar. Okay. Storytelling tayo, Isang OFW sa Doha, Qatar, nagtatrabaho hard. Vice President Sara's programs help families back home. This audit proves funds went right. Shout out to Vancouver, Canada, and Melbourne, Australia. Critics like Heidi Mendoza, former COA, say unmodified isn't clean. It's just assurance. Fair. But why bash Sara when others got worse? Selective outrage? Parang diet, picky eater. Okay, pause muna tayo for engagement mga kababayan. Okay, mga kababayan natin sa Abu Dhabi, UAE, Abu Dhabi, UAE, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, agree ba kayo? Comment yes if you think Sara's cleared. Okay, like this, if facts matter, share to friends in Los Angeles, California, US. Subscribe for more. Super thanks from Europe, France, Italy, Boost Ass. Okay, controversies galore, mga kaibigan. Confidential funds. Alleged fake beneficiaries. Sabi ng mga critics, plunder yan. Okay, pero fact, House panel recommended charges but no conviction yet. No, unmodified opinion shows no hidden misstatements. If fake names, bakit hindi fake na audit? Sara's too honest, no? Yes, probes needed, but 3 clean years suggests good faith. After resignation from cabinet, Some say betrayal, no? Like a family feud, Duterte's versus Marcos. Sara focus on OVP programs for youth, education, no? This affects your future, mga kabataan. Clean governance means better schools. O mga OFWs natin in Tokyo, Japan, or Seoul, South Korea, compared to your host country's audits. Shout out to Guam and Taiwan. Critics double standard, no? Lenny Robredo's clean audits ignored by DDS. Now they celebrate Sara's. O hypocrisy level, expert. Mga viewers sa Brisbane, Australia at Auckland, New Zealand, what do you think? Comment down, please. Subscribe to hit 100,000 subscribers. Like, share to Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, and San Francisco, California, USA. Super thanks for support. Okay, and modified means trust in OVP, ha? Better funding for programs. Critics want impeachment to distract from own issues like West Philippine Sea. Fund misuse serious but evidence thin. This is stability helps remittance values. Shout out to Milan, Italy, and Paris, France. No? Parang alam niyo po si Vice President Sara Duterte ay parang rockstar. Clean record but haters gonna hate. Okay mga kababayan. Subscribe na po, i-like, i-comment. Sara is strong. Okay, Vice President Sara absolved again, 3 years and modified, proving transparency. Controversies exist, but facts lean to her side. Clean finances, commitment to laws, critics overreaching. Mga kababayan, especially OFWs in all corners, from Manila to Madrid, Spain, Calgary, Canada, to Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. Kayo ang bayani. Our goal, mga kaibigan, 100,000 subscribers. Kaya anong hinihintay pa natin? Subscribe now. Like, comment your city, share widely, send super thanks. It funds truth-telling. Salamat. Stay woke. #WalkWithLan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.